crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down.